How to format an SD card on this Campark action cam. It's a GoPro knockoff, basically. And yeah, these are great. I think these are about 20 bucks on Amazon. I think I'll throw it on a link in the description below for you. But basically, if you already have one of these, or if you're looking to get one, these are great. Sometimes the mic on them is not as good as it could be, but so hit the power button here on the front, and then the screen will light up in the back here, and this little blue light will start flashing. Now, something that I do a lot of times is, in order to, I'll get a soft cloth to put this on so that I don't scratch the lens. But these, like I said, these are 20 bucks. They're pretty durable. So on the side, on the left side from the back, you'll see like inputs. Here's where you put the SD card. So here's an SD card in its adapter. Take that SD card out. Now, there's two ways the SD card can go in, but only one way that works. And I always forget which way, so I always put it in the wrong way. But I'm pretty sure that the screen on the back, if you consider that the top, then the top of the SD card, if that's the part with the writing on it, it goes in like this. Yeah, I had a 50-50 chance I got it right. Now, having a fingernail helps here, because you really want to, the spring on this is pretty strong. So you just want to kind of like put it in there without the thing going, pew! And then you have to go look on the floor, and everything in my house is dark carpet, dark floors, dark card. So I can never find anything on the floor, but that's neither here nor there. So, okay, so in order to get the screen to light up again, press the power button on the front. Just tap it. Okay, and then as you tap the button on the front, you'll go through different menus. So I'm going to use my finger here, but you're not going to be able to see it. Tap. So now we're in a different mode. Now we're in a different mode. Now we're in playback mode. And now we're in the settings. The universal symbol for settings being a gear, right? So now, in order to navigate the different menus, there are these two there's this rocker switch, up and down switch on the side here. So you want to go, well, I'm sorry, you want to press the front one more time. No, that's not right. Okay, so I'm on the screen here. You want to press the OK button on the top. Each one of these is a little different. That's why it's kind of crazy, and I have a couple different kinds. So here you can pick different things like video resolution, etc. But what we're going to want to do is press the down button on the side here in order to page down through all these different options until we get to the one we want. And unfortunately, it's not in this first screen. So in order to page in between these different icons up here, you're going to want to hit the button on the front, the power button, and that will give you the side-to-side movement through the menus. So you go to the gear, that's settings again, and here you have a couple different options. So you want to go to format. So press this button going down, format, and then the OK button on top, press that. I know, it's confusing. 3 buttons, but it's confusing. Okay, it says here, confirm, memory will, be erased on this card. So you want to hit confirm. So how do you get from cancel to confirm? You hit the rocker button here, and it'll switch between the two. So when you hit confirmation, when you're ready to SD card format, hit the button on top. That's your last chance. Okay, so now the card is formatted. Okay, and then what we do is we can hit the button on the front, the power button, to get out of this. Hit OK to exit. The OK button is on top. See where it says OK. Now you're ready to rock and roll. So now you have a fresh SD card in there. It's completely formatted. It's completely free, and you'll have the maximum amount of space to shoot your videos. So if this helped you, go ahead and smash the like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. I try to answer all the questions. And thanks for helping me by subscribing to this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.